Okay, what do we got here?
So this is the solar oven that he's just showing me. Yeah.
Solar oven. This is a really great solar oven. It's got a pot inside of another pot, covered up like this. This thing folds up and is portable. This is called a hot pot, and it's made in Mexico. What are we cooking today?
Eggs for
Eggs.
breakfast tomorrow.
For breakfast tomorrow. We're going to do something extra special. We're going to toss in 3 extra eggs. We're going to put on a timer, and we're going to pull one egg out every on some schedule. Every hour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Or every 2 hours. We're not sure. It's right now. It's 1:05. So we'll check back later. We're going to point this at the sun. Okay. It's been 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's check one out. My goal is to find out in how short a time we can cook these guys. They all look pretty much the same, so I'm just going to grab one of them.
There are some small bubbles
Yep.
in the water, so
Yep, little bubbles. All right, let's check it out. Uh-oh.
nothing.
That is not even close. Okay, so 1 hour and 10 minutes was not enough in full sun. We'll find out when we check the next one how long it really takes. To get good results doing home science, you have to do a better job than we did today, because we forgot about the eggs. Well, we didn't forget. We just got really busy doing other stuff, and it was like, well, are we going to go check the eggs and pull another one out or not? No. So experiment failed due to lack of good scientific attention, I guess. So else we started it late in the day. So this is the egg experiment. We need to start early in the day and actually measure it every hour or whatever and see how they cook on a clear day. Because that's another thing that happened that kind of ruined the experiment was the clouds came in. And that's actually a better excuse on why it failed. Because the results wouldn't be very consistent. Now, we can run the egg experiment many times, but what we really need to do is have it on a clear day and just get a nice simple graph of approximately how long does it take to cook an egg in a solar oven. We'll try again.